Hello, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and this morning I made this little card, which is just plain simple card, quick to make, easy. It's got the lovely fern from Positive Thoughts, and then I've done that deal by using the alphabet letters we have. So what I'm using now, I'm using the cards, the wrong packet, using the card and the envelope from the very vanilla note cards and envelopes, and they come to you, come out to it, they come to you flat like that. So if you can go like that and line them up as close as you can and then score it. Don't have to do it too heavy, but just score it so that it's good, really. Right, the first thing I'm going to do today, just now, I'm going to do stamping first, because this morning I did the stamping last, but fortunately I got away with it. Right, now this is another little trick. Right, give me that. Right, this is the thank you stamp. Oops, it's okay, everything's under control, don't worry. Take that off, I'm going to put it on there, and then I'm going to line it up there. Further up, you could stay there. Line it up there, because where I want it, okay, so you know that you don't want to come below that area, so just use a piece of grid, use a piece of grid paper underneath you, and like I said, so this comes to about halfway there, doesn't it? So we know we can't go further down than that with our fern. Oh, now I've moved it now. Oh, what's a muppet? Oh, dear. Right there. Oh, dearie me. Never mind. All is fair in love and war and all of that sort of thing. There we are. Beautiful fern stamp. This is from the Positive Thoughts stamp set. It's a beautiful one, and it's my go-to set if I want to do like a sorry for your loss, or just gonna, it says you're sending positive thought and feel good wishes, so that could be sent to somebody that's a bit poorly. Right, so I've done that. Now then, that's the first. Now I'm being naughty because I haven't put the stamp thing on there, have I? So now I've got to find out. That's way around, that's okay. Make sure you give your block a wipe as well, because it can get on there. And then I'm going to sort of central this as best I can. Lovely day here today in Narberth. Oh, sun's shining, birds are singing, all that, whatever it's called. Right, I bring my card back and my first matte layer. This is combo glue, which we sell. It's available in my shop. I'll put the link for my shop down below, so that and you don't need very much of it at all, because it's brilliant. It's very, very sticky-ish, or stickish. It's just good that you don't have to use a lot of. That's the easiest thing for me to say, isn't it? Right, there we go. Put that there. Bring this one back. Don't forget that this could possibly be wet. So when you put it down, stay away from the green Just put it like that. And it's still going like that. Turn it upside down. And give it a bit of a rub. Well, as it happened, it was quite dry. And there we are. There's our thank you card. And in very vanilla. And that's the one in Welsh done on the Whisper White. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, please press the subscribe button, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.